Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now in today's video, I am so excited because it is Sophisticated Saturdays, and this collaboration is held every second Saturday of the month at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now in today's video, we have two guests, and we have At Home with Lisa, and we also have Mercy Beauty Styles. Now I'm going to be linking all of the information down below in the description box, along with the channel links and the playlist. So make sure to watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, because you don't want to miss it. So I thought I'd turn around today and give you a quick little sneak peek here of my area that I've decorated for the holidays. Now, I do want to take a moment and wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope that you are blessed, stay safe, and I will see you in the next year. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.